Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our Canton Fair online blog testing show. This is Sandy.
And this is Joey.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah, our company had a professional manufacturing factory. The main production is air conditioner mainboard, washing machine PCB board, fan control board, induction cooker control board, and so on.
As long as you have any inquiries about the PCB board, contact us immediately. We have an excellent team to provide you with a full range of quality service.
Yes, and due to the influence of the coronavirus, people all over the world have gone through a very difficult time. No matter where you are, please remember to take care of yourself and your family. I think we will overcome the difficulty altogether and return to normal life in the next coming days.
Next, let's introduce one of our products, Air Conditioner Universal Board, which can be used for any type of air conditioner. Joey,
Yeah?
do you know how to choose the air conditioner board?
Oh yes, generally speaking, air conditioners can separate it into wall hanging air conditioner and cabinet air conditioner.
Yes.
And the wall hanging air conditioner is also can separate it into two types. This is a single cooling air conditioner and heating cooling air conditioner, right?
Yes, single coolant and heating coolant air conditioner.
Yeah.
Two types. Correct. So first of all, I will introduce the heated and coolant air conditioner PCB board. For example, the U09 PG plugs. U09 PG plugs on my hand. This one. This is a mainboard with fan starting capacitor.
Okay, it looks nice. So Sandy, what accessories include in this set?
Don't worry, let's open it and have a look.
Okay, I'll help you.
Here it is. One PCB mainboard. One display. One remote control. One transformer. Two sensors.
There's two sensors.
And a number of glass terminals.
Wow, there are a lot of spare parts in it. And Sandy, could you tell us what are the features of this PCB board?
Of course, number one, it has indoor PG fan with 5-speed function, including high speed, middle speed, low speed, auto speed, and strong speed. Number two, learning mode. This type of mainboard has 5 learning modes, which includes auto mode, coolant mode, dehumidification mode.
Dehumidification mode.
Yes, and ventilation mode and heating mode.
Oh.
It's 5 modes.
Okay.
Number 3, half an hour timer adjustment. When you want to use the timer function, every time we press, the time will increase by half an hour.
Half an hour.
Yes. Number 4, double temperature sensor. It can make us easier to control the cool wind and the heat wind.
It seems that it seems that it has a lot of function, right?
Yes.
So anything else?
Yes. Number 5, anti-cold air function. When the air conditioner is heated, the anti-cold air function can maximize the effect.
Okay, you can maximize the heating effect, right? Okay.
Number 6, intelligent defrost function. Use an advanced and unique intelligent defrosting mode.
Well, with this function, it not only save energy and electricity, but also improve the heating effect, right?
Indeed, this is one of the reasons why I strongly recommend this control board to our customer. And number 7, it has 6-speed single wind direction control. And the temperature control is accurate up to 0.3 Celsius degree. Number 8, sleeping function. Intelligent humanized sleep setting provides us with a comfortable sleeping environment.
Okay, to be honest, I love this function most because a comfortable sleeping environment is very important to me.
Yes.
And what anything else?
Yes, and number 9, emergency launch function. When the remote control cannot work, the air conditioner can be turned on by the emergency launch button.
Emergency launch button.
Last but not least, it has compression 3 minutes delay protection. It will reduce the starting up soften load when the compressor starts again, so as to prolong its service life.
Okay, yeah, I think the function of this control board are very complete. And we can see here, Sandy, there are still a lot of spare parts here. So could you introduce them to us? Show them to us?
Sure. Okay. Let's look at the remote control first. It has many buttons.
Yeah.
Each of them have their own function. And please pay attention to the mode key.
Yes, this one, the mode key.
The mode key. It is used to select the operating mode. When the auto mode is working, if room temperature is less than 21 Celsius degree, be careful, it's 21 Celsius degree.
Okay.
If you enter the heating mode, and if the room temperature is higher than 27 degree, it will enter cooling mode. Higher than 27 degree, it will enter cooling mode. And the default setting temperature is 25 degrees.
Okay, and we can see that it also have a wind speed key. This is wind speed key. It used to choose the wind speed. Plus and minus key is to set the temperature from 16 Celsius degree to 30 Celsius degree. And this autumn fan, autumn swim flag, and manual swim flag key is to select the wind direction. And also we have the timing button to confirm or console the timing function.
Yes, and please have your eyes on the sleep key and super strong key. Sleep key. Here. Sleep key and super strong key.
Yes, this one is super strong key.
This one is the sleep key. Sleep button. Humanized sleep setting automatically increase 1 Celsius degree after 3 hours. Automatically turn off the air conditioner after 8 hours. For the super strong key, this one, it is infected under the cooling mode. Open super strong mode can strengthen with speed.
Oh, okay, I know it. And how about the indicator?
Yes,
The display.
indicators.
Here.
This one.
Yeah.
Let's see this one. Okay, as we can see, there are 3 lights on it. 1, 2, 3. Red light is the switch indicate of the air condition.
Okay, it's the switch.
If this one on, it means your air condition is working.
Okay.
And the green light is the indicate of the air condition compressor. The green indicator is on means that the compressor is working.
Okay, I see.
And the last one, the yellow one, it is the indicate of the timing.
Okay, yes, I see it.
Finish.
Okay, it is easy to understand it. And alright, this is the end of the instruction of the heating and cooling air conditioner mainboard. U09 APG Plus, U09 APG Plus. Yes, this one. Okay, and next we will introduce another kind of air conditioner PCB board, and its model is U07PG Plus. U07PG Plus, a single current type of mainboard. This one.
Yes. Joey, could you tell me what is included in this product?
My pleasure. Yes. Let me show you. Like the PCB board we had introduced before, it also includes one mainboard, one display, one remote control, one transformer. Oh yes. Also have two sensors and a lot of terminal connectors.
It is different with U09 PG Plug because they have 2 sensors.
Oh yes, this one have one sensor.
Yes,
Sorry.
this is the difference because U09 PG Plug is for heating and cooling mode.
Yes, and U07 PAG Plus is a single current, so this one only one sensor. Sorry,
Yes.
my mistake. Okay.
And what are the main features of this PCB board?
Let me tell you. Number one, it have indoor PG fan 5-speed gear function. It includes high speed, middle speed, low speed, and auto speed and strong speed. And number two, the running mode. Different from the U09 APG Plus, this one U07 PG Plus only have 4 mode. It include auto mode, cooling mode, dehumidification mode, and ventilation mode.
Next, which one mode no have? Compare these 2 items.
Which one? Could you tell me?
Yeah, it is the heating mode.
Oh yes.
Because this one heating and cooling together. This one is only single cooling.
Single current. So yes.
That's one function is heating mode.
Okay, I
This one
see.
without.
Okay, I see. And number 3, it have half an hour adjustment. When we want to use the timer function, every time we press the button, the time will increase a half an hour. And number 4, 6-speed gear swing direction. And the temperature control is accurate up to 0.3 Celsius degree. And number 5, it also has sleeping function. And number 6 is emergency launch function. When the remote control cannot work, the air conditioner can be turned on by the emergency launch button. And the last one, number 7, is the compressor 3 minutes delay protection. It can reduce the starting up shocking load when the compressor starts again, so as to prolong its service life, same to this U09 Yes.
So now you already know the difference between these 2 products, right?
Yeah.
And you can can choose anyone according to your air conditioner.
Yes. Heating cooling, heating and cooling, or just single cooling.
Yes.
It depends on your requirements.
Yes. Wow, the function of this model are very complete. And Zoe, could you also give a brief introduction of the remote control?
Okay, my question it's also almost like the last one we had introduced before. First, is the red one is a switch of our air conditioner. It's used to turn on or turn off the air conditioner.
Yeah,
And yes. And the next one is the mode key. It's used to select the operating mode. When the auto mode is working, if the indoor temperature is less than 27 Celsius degree, it will turn into the ventilation mode.
Yes.
Yeah. And if the indoor temperature is higher than 27 Celsius degree, it will turn into cooling mode. And the default setting temperature is 25 Celsius degree.
And what's different between this one? You online
Could you introduce again to me?
Yes. Before this one, if the temperature is less than 21 Celsius degree.
21 Celsius.
Yes. If you turn to the heating mode. If less than 27, if you turn to the Valentine's mode.
Ventilation mode, you mean? Okay,
Yes.
okay, I know it. Please look at the wind speed mode. This one, wind speed key. This is the wind speed regulation button, and it also have 5-speed gauge, which includes super strong wind, auto wind, high wind speed, middle wind speed, and low wind speed.
So same this one, right?
Yes, the same. Five speed gears.
Yes.
And please be noticed that when we use the dehumidification mode, the wind speed is low wind speed. The wind speed will be low wind speed. Please pay attention to it.
Yes, and the plus and minus key to set the temperature from 16 Celsius degree to 13 Celsius degree.
Yes, also the 16 Celsius to the 13 Celsius.
Yes. Auto swing flat and manual swing flat to the select wind direction.
Yes, and we also have the tiny button key and the sleep button. Yes, tiny button and the sleep button to enjoy the different functions of this product.
Alright, and how about the indicator, Zoe?
The indicator is also not many different. We can see it. Yes, it also has 3 color lights on it. The first one is the red light. If the red light turn on, it means the machine is working.
Yes.
And it is the indicator of our compressor. When the green light is on, it means our compressor is also working. And the last one is the yellow one. Yes, same with this. This. Yes. If the yellow light, it is the timing. Is the indicator of the timing. Yes. So when the yellow light turns on, it means the timing function is working now.
So it is similar.
Yes,
No
they are
any
similar.
difference. Right?
The indicator is not so many difference. Yes, the most the difference is between their operating mode.
Yes, only the operating mode.
U09 APG Plus is the cooling and heating, and U07 PG Plus is only single cooling.
Yes, that's great.
Yeah, so only the operating mode will have some difference.
Okay, friends, this is the end of the introduction of the single cooling mainboard U07 PG Plus.
Yes.
Zoe, could you tell our friends what are the advantages of the mainboard produced by our factory?
Okay, of course. Number one, you can see these all mainboards behind us. our factory had been engaged in the production of home appliance parts for more than 20 years. Yes, and we have a professional production line and technical personnel. And number two is the perfect temperature control. The temperature control of our PCB board is accurate up to 0.3 Celsius degree. 0.3, yes. And number three is very easy to installation, convenient and fully functional. Yes. And number four is a competitive price. I think that's our customer. Most customers want to know this. Yes, we have a very competitive price because the products are directly supplied by our factory, so which can maximize the profits of our customers.
I think that's a good choice.
Yeah.
Even for our own customers. Okay. Because of this product made all by our factory, so you choose our products. It means you choose the good quality and good price. So don't be hesitate.
Yes, don't be hesitate.
Yes, and follow our WeChat.
Yes, you can follow our Facebook account.
WeChat and Facebook.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
And you can also scan this QR code. Yes, to contact us.
We still have a lot of conditioner made boards.
Yeah.
With different functions. If you are interested in it, please tell us. We are looking forward to cooperation with you.
Yes. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching our online show. We will see you at the same time tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye. 好了。
等一下。
Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our live broadcast. This is Artemis.
Yes, this is Vicky. Today, I will share the live show with Artemis. Let's beginning the show now. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, today we are going to introduce the fan motor. As you see the motor behind me and here, we have a variety of the motors, such as a wall fan motor, stand fan motor, table fan motor, box fan motor, and exhaust fan motor, and so on. So now you have your first impression of a fan motor. Do you know the function of the fan motor? Now let my partner Artemis will introduce the fan motor function to you. Okay guys, I'm going to give you a little introduction of fan motor. And just like you see, the fan motor is made up of several parts. Bearing and stator. Here is stator wise, and this is stator and stator wise. And here is motor stator, and here is windings, and this is permanent magnet and shaft and motor belt. Okay, there are so many fan motors, and each of them have a different size. So you can choose the pure copper wire or the aluminum wire, and the one with the ball bearing or not. And maybe you will ask me, there are so many factory suppliers. So why do we buy from you? Go on. So I will let you know the advantage of our products. The first one about fan motor stability. High precision of fan motor components makes it very stable and efficient while working. And the second one is use quality lubricating oil to reduce resistance of motor and made the rotating speed higher. And the fan can work more powerful. And lastly, the low noise design. Our fan motor is powerful while running smoothly with low noise and supply a quiet environment for you, especially when you are sleeping.
Good. So that is our short introduction of the fan motor. If you are interested in our product and want to know more details, please like and follow our homepage. Like to be continued. Yeah. Okay, it's for you.
So you should have an understanding of our fan motor. Now we would like to introduce more details.
Do you see these motors on the picture here? There are no doubts that there are many types we are going to introduce now. So let us show you one by one.
So here are 7 pieces fan motor, sample here. And the first one is this one. The first one is 13 inches with aluminum wire and 1.5 UF capacitance. And the length here is 71 mm. It is a wholesale model in Africa.
Oh, good. And then for the second one, this one is a 60-inch aluminum wire table fan motor with 1.5 UF capacitor. The shoe always is the aluminum, and here is 74 mm for the length.
And next one is this one is and next one is 13 inches fan motor. It's 18 inches aluminum wire table fan motor with capacitance and high speed 2,300 rolls per minute. It is different from the first one and second one. And because it is 18 mm for the stator and the maximum power is 62 watts, means more powerful than 13 and 16 mm model. And next is the fourth one. The fourth one is 20 inches fan motor with 4 bearing and 1.8 UF capacitor. And the material is copper wire welding. And building in ball bearing means the fan motor can be running more durable and less noise. I highly recommend this one. Why? It is because it is suitable for many universal fans.
Yes, let's go on. And this one. This is the 60-inch fan motor. This is a little different from the normal one. From this, that is a little different. As this one, the starter is 66 mm and 60 mm. Here is a 66 mm and here is a 60 mm. So it looks smaller, but another specification data is the same.
Okay, now the next one is this. You may have noticed that it doesn't look like any other models. Yes, this type is applicable for box fan, not for table fan. Yeah,
So it is suitable for 12 inches fans with 14 mm thick stator here. As you can see, it has 5 wires. 5 wires, and each wire connects to a different function terminal. Box fan is widely used, so maybe the motor is damaged in some case. So you need to choose a better quality motor to replace it. So our product is a good choice, good quality and competitive price, excellent after sales service.
Yes, great. And the last one. Oh, this big guy. That is a 3-in-1 type motor. This one can apply for the table fan, stand fan, and wall fan.
Wow, so very powerful. So the biggest difference among them, all of them, is the stator thickness here and the running speed. All these products are made in our own factory, so we can make sure the quality is very good. Can provide the best table fan motor to you with good price.
Yes, that is all detail for the fan motor. And one more thing, we export these two models in large quantity each year. Our factory is producing this in overtime. Although the minimum order quantity is small, but many clients order in 10 containers. 10 containers.
So if you are interested in them, please get back to us at your convenience. Now let's take a break. We'll come back soon. See you later.
Let's go on now. Okay, let's go on now. So
first one，这么小声，本来就是这个。Okay, the first one, this one is 16 inches with aluminum wire and 1.5 UF capacitance. The length here is 71 mm, and it is suitable for many universal fans and very wholesale, especially in Africa.
yes, and this one is also wholesale in Africa. This one is the 60-inch aluminum wire table fan with 1.5 UF capacitor. The shoe also aluminum, and this one is 74 mm for the length.
So 16 inches fan motor means the stator thickness here is 16 mm and the length is 71 mm here to here. And both of them the working voltage are 220 and the maximum power is 45 watts. And the round speed can up to 1250 rounds per minute.
Good. So let me introduce the next. This one is 18-inch aluminum wire tables fan motor with capacitor. and it is a high speed for 2,300 volt for 1 minute. So that is different from the first one and the second one, because 80 mm for the starter. The maximum power is 62 watt. It means that is more powerful than the 60 mm model. So this one is the first one. The first one is a 20 inches fan motor with ball bearing and 1.8 UF capacitor, and the material is copper wire winding. And built-in ball bearing means the fan motor can be running more durable and less noise. I highly recommend this one. Why? Because it is suitable for many universal fans. Yes. Let's go on. And this one is a 60-inch table fan motor. This one is a little different from the normal one, as this one the starter is 66 mm, and here is 16 mm. So it looks smaller, but other specification data are the same. Okay, let me show you the last one. This one is for box fan. Yeah. So you may notice that it doesn't look like other models, because it is for box fan. So not for table fan. This one, the size is 12 inches and with 14 mm 6 data, and as you can see, it has 5 wires. Each wire connects to a different function terminal, and box fan is widely used. So maybe the motor is damaged in some case. You need choose a better quality motor to replace it. So our product is a good choice, good quality and competitive price and excellent after-sales service. Yes, that's nice. The last one is this big guide. There are 3 types more. This one is a 3-in-1. Can apply both for the table fan, for the stand fan and wall fan. Wow, sounds very powerful. Yeah, so the biggest difference among them, all of these fan motors, is that thickness about the stator and the running speed. So all these products are made in our own factory, so we can make sure the quality is very good, can provide with the best table fan motor to you with good price. Okay, that is all detail for the fan motor. And one more thing, we export these two number is in large quantity each year. Our factory is producing this all over time. Although this minimum quantity is small, but many clients are ordering in 10 containers. 10 containers. Yes. So if you are interested in them, please get back to us at your convenience. So here are our information. Okay, that is all for today. If you have any interest for our fan motor, please contact with us. Here is the QR code. Yeah, this is the Facebook QR code, and you can scan it and talk to us. And if you have any needs in customizing fan motors,
For example, you want to make your brand or change color of outer shells, and so we can do it for you. And thank you for your watching our live show. We will see you at the same time tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.